All right, someone's got to tell me, how do I get to Santa's workshop? How do I get to Gumdrop's house, the North Pole, Reindeer Crossing? I need help. There's no GPS for this. I'm directionally challenged. Well, thank you, Temp-tations, for bringing us this really adorable metal sign, directional sign, if you will. It's a holiday metal yard sign with the stake that shows us all the places we need to go to celebrate the holiday season. Now, this is a clearance sale price of $26.93. Your Easy Pay brings it home for $8.98. It is made for the elements, and you see all of our familiar favorite friends with our penguin, our gingerbread, their snowman, and their reindeer, which each has names, but we're going to talk about that in a moment. This is so cute. Let me bring in Lisa Lasorte, who brings us the Temp-tations line. Lisa, you were such a pleasant surprise. I thought I was running solo on this one today, so good to see you.
Nope, you got me, my friend.
Yes.
So listen, I'm so excited. When we designed this, Julia, what we did was we designed it for any size space, large or small. We designed it to go indoor or outdoor. We made sure it had easy assembly because it can go outdoors as well. All the weather resistant things that you love, like rain resistant, snow resistant, rust resistant, built in right there. But here's what's also guaranteed, smiles, because this is the cutest metal sign that's so easy to pop, really, in your garden, in a pot like you have it right there, or literally like I'm like right next to my fireplace. I could put it in my firewood container. But let's talk about those vibrant characters at the top.
Yes.
So this is like the Fab Four up there, right? So there is Penny, our penguin, and you see the nod to old world and floral lace and the beautiful hand painting of those vibrant colors. And then next to that is going to be Gumdrop. That's our gingerbread. I love the scarf and the little buttons and the little pom-pom at the top. And then we have Mr. Bojangles, who was named by Mr. Venable, named Mr. Bojangles. So how adorable that is right there. And then last but not least, we have Wembley, our reindeer, with our iconic cardinal attached and flying around. But while we're right there, Julia, I just want to show you how labor intensive it is to do these cutouts, right? It's not just a square. We literally cut each figure out, and then beautiful Santa's workshop, like you said, reindeer crossing. I love Gumdrop's house right here. And then we all want to get to the North Pole.
Take me to the North Pole.
Take me there, Penny.
Let's go. I got a lot of ideas, guys. Get me to the North Pole, and then I'm directed right to Santa's workshop. Let's get to work.
Yeah, this is so much fun. And this is the piece we are retiring because we have a lot more decor coming in this year. So I love the idea of putting it outside, maybe along your walkway, at your front door. So cute. If you want to use it inside, I love it next to the fireplace right there. Isn't that sweet?
That's a cute idea. That's a really cute idea. And I also love, excuse me, Lisa. I also love that these are characters that we're familiar with within the Temp-tations line when it comes to our stoneware and our dinnerware and our serveware. So this is a great way to really tie it all together. If you're a real Temp-tations collector, whether you collect the holiday decor items through the collection, or you're just an old world or floral lace collector, because that is also represented in the clothing of our little friends here. But this is sturdy. This is all weather. And the whole gang is here, and it's fun and whimsical, and that's what the holidays are all about.
That is what they're all about. So, I mean, just imagine if you have children or grandchildren, this is what memories are made about, right? Like every year, come to the house, this is going to be that iconic sign that you pull out every year, and someone says, Grandma or Grandpa or Mom or Dad. They know Christmas has arrived when this comes out. So whether you live in an apartment, a condo, a sprawling estate, invite us over if you live at the sprawling estate, right, Julia? We want to come on over.
Sign me up.
And then I just want to show you here at the bottom. Okay. Look how easy this is. So if you want to put it into the ground, you just put your foot right here and just, you know, put it right in there. Easy breezy. Yep. Stomp it on in there.
Any assembly here?
Yes, you do. So you just have to take 2 wire rods and you're going to literally thread them together. And then you just layer the sides. There's a little tab on the back that you layer each side in. So by the way, you can decide how these go. You just, if you want the North Pole first, and Julia, I'm feeling like you want the North Pole at the top. Yeah. No problem. Put it right under Santa's workshop.
Oh, I love that. Very cool. Yeah, that's our first stop. First stop here, Lisa,
First
is
stop.
the North Pole. We got some business to conduct up there. Okay, so clearance sale price, that's a retiring item. It's $26.93, which is a 40% savings off of the QVC price. $8.98 brings it home. It's H262933. Lisa, you are such a pleasant surprise, but I gotta go this way. North Pole is this way, so I'm gonna head over here and I'll see you soon.
But